D.com, where we help you generate more clients without working harder or spending more money on marketing. In yesterday's video, we went over the anatomy of a registration page, and now I want to go over how you construct a very simple confirmation page. Well, it's simple on the surface, but there's some pretty cool features to it. Now, as I said yesterday, the actual design of the page doesn't really matter that much. It's the elements that are on the page. So let's look at it. So the first thing is we have thank you for registering for, and I'm just calling this the confirmation page training. Obviously, you put your hot webinar title in there. And then the next one we have here is a video. Now, let me tell you basically what the video says. It basically first congratulates the person on registering for the event. Hey, you made a great decision registering for the confirmation page training. On this training, in 3 hours, I'm going to teach you how to create a confirmation page that'll knock your prospect's socks off. Okay, so basically that's it. You say, congratulations for registering, and then you talk about what they're going to learn. You reiterate what they're going to learn on the training. The next thing you want to say is make sure you add this to your calendar and make sure you show up on time because you don't want to miss anything. So again, you want to tell them, congratulations for registering, and then you want to say to them, hey, make sure you put it on your calendar. The next thing you want to do is this, and I haven't seen this a lot on a lot of confirmation pages for professional services providers. You want to give them the opportunity to book a consultation with you. And so what you would say in this case, because of the way the page is set up, you could say something like, oh, by the way, if you'd like a complimentary strategy session where I'm going to show you how to double your virtual sales, and I'm going to do it in just 30 minutes, we're going to map out the entire plan for you. All you need to do is click the link that you see to the right. If you look to the right, you'll see it says click here to schedule. Just click that and it'll take you to my calendar page. Now, the beauty of this is that although the vast majority of people won't do it, you will have prospects who are super hot, who want to talk to you immediately. They have a need right away. So instead of making them wait to sign up and to make them wait to watch the actual webinar, what you want to do is give them the opportunity to schedule that consultation right there. Now, in a minute, I'll show you what happens if they click that. So again, that could be underneath your video with the setup I have here as to the side. It doesn't matter, but give people the opportunity to book the consultation. Now, if you look at below the video, we have the add to calendar, and this is really nice because someone can just click on this and it'll automatically be put on their calendar. Then you've got the link. They can copy the link. You tell them to check their email because you're going to be sending them an email with the confirmation details. And of course, then there's an entire follow-up sequence that is delivered via email, which gets people to register. But the main thing here is this video and then the option of letting them schedule a consultation right away. Now, there's one more thing that you can do, and it depends upon your business model. And that is to make them a second offer, which is to send them something in the mail. So you could say something to the effect of, since you registered for this event, I also want to send you an extra bonus gift in the mail. It's my hardcover book, Sales Stampede, which will show you how to construct a presentation that if you do it, you can book more consultations in a month than you now do all year. If you'd like me to send you the book, I'll even pay for shipping and handling. Simply click the button to the side, or if that's what you have, or fill out the form below. And then you would have a form below, which people could then fill out. And again, you would then send them something in the mail, and now you've captured their full contact information. Again, you've got to decide if you want to go through that, if you actually want to send something to someone in the mail. And it may pay off for you, it may not pay off for you, dependent upon your business model and the value of your customer. But having the customer's full contact information is obviously better than just having their name and email address. So again, just to review here, you've got a video which congratulates them, resells them a little bit on the actual webinar that you're doing. You give them the opportunity to schedule an appointment with you right away and show them how to do that, tell them how to do that. And then an option is to also send them something in the mail to collect their full contact information. So it's very, very simple. So let's look at this. If I click on this, I set this up, and let's see if I did it correctly, because I am definitely not Mr. Technology. But if I set it up correctly, this should go, there it is. It goes right to my calendar page so people can register immediately if that's something that they wanted to do. So there you have it. If you got value from this video, do me a favor and like it and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment below. I do answer all of the comments. If you want to learn how to construct a virtual event that sells, then go to daved.com and sign up for my daily D-mail newsletter. Along with that, I'll give you a really great report that teaches you exactly how to do that. That's just daved.com. Hey, thanks for watching. Look forward to talking with you in the next video.